So without wasting much time, I just want to show you something. So if you actually look at my screen here, you're going to see 130k. Okay, yeah, that's what so far what I've actually made on this platform. I actually want to show you how to make this money. 10% interest, 10% profit daily, you understand? And on this platform, withdrawal is actually twice every week, you understand? So that's what I want to show you guys in this video.
So guys, I'm going to explain to you, I'm going to talk to you about what Frontine is, yeah, the investment platform, how it works, and how to earn and then withdrawals, because you guys will always want to know how to actually withdraw on this platform. So guys, thank you guys for joining me again. I want to share with you guys what this platform actually is. Okay, I'll talk to you guys, I will tell you what Frontine is. I will also show you guys how it works, how the whole platform works. I will show you the vital points to note. I'm going to be saying a lot of disclaimers here, and I'm also going to show you guys how to register, how to earn, and also how to make withdrawals. So that's how today's video is going to be like. So guys, before we actually go deep into this, let's talk about investment. Okay, so like you saw the title, a lot of you guys saw the title and actually came to the video. Now I would like you guys to pay attention to what I have to say before going ahead to watch the video. Now, investment is anything that you do with your time, your efforts, and your resources. Actually, okay, it's not just money. When we talk about investment, a lot of people think is investment has to do with money alone. This is not just about money. You can invest your time, you can invest your effort, you can invest your resources. Okay, yeah, you invest your time, but anything that you do that is going to give you future rewards is an investment. Like if you look at the point I have here, number one is anything that gives you a future reward. You can invest your time for future rewards, you can invest your effort for future rewards, you can also invest your resources for future rewards. All right, which is return on investment. All right, so investment is also a passive income. Anything that doesn't need you to be actively involved for you to get money. Talking about finance right now, when you invest money, you don't have to actively be involved in making the money. You just join in the production of a product or in a business, and then the returns, the profit from the business or from the sale of the product is given to you in percentage. That's investment, that's passive income. All right, investment can also require little or no effort at all. You can invest money in something and you don't actually do anything, and at the end of the day you get reward, all right, in the future. And also, investment has to do with money working for you. When you make money, you actively earn money and then you invest it in somewhere as an asset, it generates money for you. That is money working for you. All right, that is this is not actually a financial training. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you the little things you need to know about investment. Okay, so it's good to also invest with a trusted company, a platform, a business, or an individual. All right, you can actually invest in someone, you can invest in a business, a startup that is doing well. All right, you are helping in the production of a product or rendering of service, and when that is done, you are giving a you make a percentage, you are giving a percentage. You can invest in a platform, you can invest in a company. All right, so these are the things you need to know about investment. But you own the right to actually check, to verify, to check the company or the business or the platform or the individual, for you to be very sure. You have to confirm a lot of things before you actually invest your money. All right, you have to be very sure, you have to become a smart investor for you to get the for you to actually get money. All right, so I will go straight to this video and talk to you about the platform and everything I have for you guys in this video. Okay, so today, like I said, I'm talking about a platform. This is not a company, this is not a big business. This is a platform that allows you to invest. All right, and this is called Frontime. Now, Frontime is an investment platform which is aimed at eradicating poverty with the capital and value of investors, which is generated by forex trading and affiliate networking business. All right, yeah, this is what Frontime is. So how does the platform actually works? I'm going to go over this Frontime actually allows investors to earn 10% daily of their total investment, which expires after 14 days, which is 2 weeks, which I believe is safe. All right, you can actually start now, and in 14 days you get your money. All right, before 14 days you can actually withdraw your money. I'll be talking to you guys about withdrawals on this platform is actually twice weekly. I'll be talking to you guys about it. So it allows you to earn 10% daily of your total investment, all right, which is going to expire in 14 days, which you can reinvest. Okay, so let's look at the vital points, a little, some things you actually need to know about Frontime. Vital points you need to know about Frontime. Frontime pays you with or without referrals. All right, a lot of you guys are not able to refer. You don't like to do business that you have to refer someone to get paid. Okay, because a lot of platforms have come and they didn't pay because you couldn't get referrals. All right, and people have to get convinced, you have to convince people and all of that. So Frontime pays you with or without referrals. Okay, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my payment proof. I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually got paid so far. I've joined the platform. All right, so payment is supported by Flutter, which means you get your payments in less than an hour. Once you apply for withdrawal on this platform, you get it in less than an hour. All right, I'm a living proof. All right, yeah. So customer care is fully active, 100%. You can actually contact customer care and you get solutions to answers to your questions. So this platform is actually 100% legit as at the time I'm actually making this video. All right, and I'm going to upload this video. Okay, so you can register, you can invest any amount from 5k to 100k, and you actually get 10% daily, and I'm going to explain that also in a bit. So no bank charges at all. Frontime is not going to pay you with bank charges. If your money, if you have earned 50,000 naira, you are paid 50,000 naira, there's no bank charges. All right, yeah. Frontime pays you 20% referrals commission and indirect referral bonus of 5%. Now remember, it is not compulsory for you to refer before you can earn, but if you actually refer someone and the person invests, you get 20% of their investment capital. So if you invite someone and invest 100,000, you are going to be getting a whooping 20,000 naira from that person. Okay, regardless of how much you started with. If you invest 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira and you get someone that invests 100,000, you're going to get 20,000, and you can withdraw it the next day. Yeah, you can actually withdraw it because and you'll be paid in less than an hour. So how do you actually register on this platform? All right, so yeah, so you guys can see registration, how to earn and become a frontier. To become a frontier, you need to create an account with the organization by contacting one of the vendors. All right, yeah. Now for registration, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for you guys. You can actually go ahead and register, but make sure to contact me. I'm also going to leave my WhatsApp contact in the description box below. All right, when you contact me, you tell me, okay, you want to jump on Frontime. So you first of all click on the link, register your account, and then contact me. So you can send me the email you wish to register, and your account will be funded, all right, with the amount you want to invest, and you start getting your 10% immediately. So Frontime registration is free, but investment ranges from 5,000 to 100,000 naira only. You can invest any amount of your choice. To fund your account, you're going to send your funds, which is your money, to any of the contacted verified vendor, which I'm also going to help you to do that. Once you contact me, I'll help you to get someone that is going to be legit, that is going to get you your account funded. All right, at least you guys know me. You're going to contact me, I'll get you someone that will do that for you. All right, verify vendor, which your account will be funded instantly with the same amount you sent for funding. So if you send 10,000 naira, your account will be funded 10,000 naira. You invest 10,000 naira to get a whooping 1,000 naira daily, which is 10%. All right, so you guys can contact me with the WhatsApp. Go ahead, register your account with the link I will leave, and then contact me. All right, and then you use your funded amount to subscribe. You subscribe for it, and you're going to be getting 10% of your investment daily every 24 hours. The countdown starts immediately. At least I think I showed a video of me earning in less than 24 hours 10% of how much I actually invested. Well, as for me, I invested 100,000 naira, and I already showed you guys how I've been making the profit of 10,000 naira daily. All right, and I'm going to be withdrawing in 14 days. All right, which is going to be if I'm making 10,000 daily, I'm going to be withdrawing 140,000 naira. All right, so you don't need to worry about withdrawal. Okay, Fronttime pays you with or without referring. Anyone with a minimum of 6,000 naira and a maximum of 100k can actually withdraw. Okay, so far I've already withdrawn part of the money. I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof. All right, yeah, I've withdrawn about 2 or 3 times already, and payments for no referral is done once in a week, which is every Tuesday. I started on a Sunday, and the next day Tuesday, the next 2 days I actually withdrew. Okay, because I started with 100k and I actually got 20,000 naira. Okay, which was far above 6,000 naira minimum withdrawal, and I actually withdrew. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys payment proof. All right, yeah. So payment for affiliate bonus is actually done um on it is done twice a week, and that is done on Wednesdays and Saturdays. For people that have referrals, it's done twice in a week. All right, if you have referrals, you can withdraw on Wednesdays and on Saturday. If you don't, you withdraw on Tuesday. If you refer, you withdraw on Wednesdays and Saturday. So guys, this is how the platform works in very simple terms. So if you actually want to register or to invest, you can register with the link in the description. Contact me with my WhatsApp number there, and I will give you an account where you can fund your account, and then you invest immediately and start making money from today. So thank you guys for watching this video. All right, this is Side Income TV, and this is your boy Baz Simeon. Okay, so I like you guys to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell icon so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube will give you a notification. Okay, and you see what I have for you guys. I will keep updating content. And now the full affiliate marketing training is going to come up in less than 24 hours time. I'm going to upload a video about affiliate marketing. All right, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys throughout this week how to actually sell. All right, sales tips, some of my sales tips I used to make money online, offline. Okay, so stick around with this channel. Okay, let me be your number one plug for make money online. And with that said guys, I will see you in my next video. I will actually see you in my affiliate marketing training. All right, so guys, as you can see, I said I will just show you a payment proof. This is an application on the dashboard for 19,250, guy. Now this is my payment. This is a payment 19,250 from Fronttime. This is another withdrawal of 14,000, and then this is the credit of 7,750. Just look at it right there. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.